Sorry.
Mm. And they're cutting the rapeseed and they're leaving the stumps. Look, the tractor. Oh, there's another combine after.
What? Do that.
Two tractors over there.
So only still over there. In the corner where they stay.
No, all three are here.
I thought that was four.
Oh look, the tractor's coming in.
That's what I'm doing.
They're harvesting, yay!
The other goes right over there. What is it? I think it's
I think he's lost. There's another tractor up there.
there is actually four things.
Is that?
Tucked down there, and two gone out, and then a tucked from there.
There are three combine houses.
That's not a cool one.
One there, and one over there.
Then that's a Land Rover and right to the left. The grass.
That's a tractor. That's tractor, combine harvester, combine harvester, combine harvester. You are lost, mate.
All the flowers are from the house. What's it? What's the time? It's been 2 hours since the festival.
Look, one of the combine houses is dead. The first and the third. Still see the second. They're gone right underneath the crops.
They go underneath the
One, number one's showing up now. I've lost number 3.
Yeah, that tractor's lost. And obviously 2 tractors.
Obviously 2 tractors, 2 combine houses.
Where's the first? What are you doing, mate? Stop looking at us. That tractor looking at us on the left.
Yeah, I think so.
And then left.
This one?
No.
That one?
Right, there. That one there.
The one nearest us? I think so. Look, now number 2's gone right underneath. That would be my...
Oh, I'm not behind Karen. Good job.
And here comes a combine harvester over to us.